Hi, I'm Andy Stevens from Eclipse Property Solutions, and today we're going to take down a chimney stack. For this job, we're going to need a brick hammer, a bolster, a trowel, a club hammer, and then the PPE, we're going to need goggles and a mask. For this stack we're taking down, obviously you don't come up on your roof much, but with this one, well, now we're up here, this is weather that causes this. So you can see here, this is cracked, the sand and cement is cracked, water's got in, and when it freezes, it expands. So in this case, it's completely cracked away, so this is now loose. And as you work your way down, you can see the joints are completely washed out. So I can actually get a whole finger in there. If you're not taking this down, I'd strongly advise you get it repointed, which is just new sand and cement to fill these joints, because in time, as you can see, this is all going to come out and that will create water coming into the chimney, which will give you damp downstairs. So a little tip, before you start pulling this to pieces, if you've got an open fire or wood burner where it's open to the chimney, board it up or put a sheet there, because you are going to have a lot of dust and bits that fall down that'll end up all over your lounge or wherever it is. The next step we're going to do is take this cowl off, and as you can see, it's got a vent which runs down to the old wood burner. So we're going to take that off, and then piece by piece, brick by brick, we'll just take it out. And as you can see, it's probably not going to need much because this isn't in the greatest of wear. So we'll take it off slowly, starting at the top and then just working down course by course. This is why I think it's quite important you do have this stack checked occasionally. If you are keeping it, this old mortar has gone completely. You can see it's completely come away from the bricks, and also you can see all these bricks are loose. So if this had stayed here in time, you would have actually had quite a lot of water coming in these joints and causing damp inside. On the other hand, to take it down, you don't need a hammer and bolster, you just pick it off.